Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change charging sound on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Open the Shortcuts app. Start by opening the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store. Create a new automation. Once you have the app open, tap the Automation tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Create Personal Automation. Choose the trigger. A list of triggers will appear. From the list, select Charger. This will set up the automation to run when you connect your iPhone to a charger. Set action to run immediately. Next, choose Run immediately and click Next. Choose your sound. Now, it is time to pick a sound. You have several options, such as playing a specific sound, having your iPhone speak text, or playing music. For this example, select Play Music. Select the music or sound. You can browse your music library to choose a song, audio file, or even a voice memo. Select whatever you'd like to play when your iPhone starts charging. And that is everything you need to know about how to change charging sound on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.